Hello student, welcome in a Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. So student, today we are going to take 7th standard subject is a geography. In that chapter number 2nd, the sun, the moon and the earth. So student, if this chapter is already completed in your school, let's go to the complete exercise of this chapter. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, then hit the like button. First question. Correct the wrong statements. Write down the corrected ones. जे स्टेटमेंट चुकीचे आहेत ते आपल्याला करेक्ट करून लिहायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट दिलेला आहे, द मून रिव्हॉल्व्स अराउंड द sun. Okay, so this statement is wrong statement. The moon revolves around the earth. चंद्र हा आपल्या पृथ्वीभोवती रिव्हॉल्व्स करत असतो, नाही तो सूर्याभोवती. Right, so the corrected one is the moon revolves around the earth. Second, on a full moon day, the moon, the sun and the earth are positioned in this sequence. And the answer is this statement is a wrong statement. On a full moon day, the sun, the earth and the moon are positioned in this sequence. So on a full moon day, sequence are first the sun, middle one is the earth and then moon. Third question. The revolutionary orbits of the earth and the moon are in the same plane. So the answer is this statement is also wrong statement. What the correct statement is? The revolutionary orbits of the earth and the moon are not in the same plane. The moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degree with that the अर्थ. बरोबर, तर त्यांचे जी रिव्होल्युशनरी ऑर्बिट आहेत ते सेम प्लेनवरती नाहीत, तर चंद्राचा जो रिव्होल्युशनरी ऑर्बिट आहे हा पृथ्वीपासूनच्या 5 डिग्री अँगलमध्ये आहे. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. इन वन रिव्होल्यूशन ऑफ द मून इट्स ऑर्बिट intersects the earth orbit only one, and this statement is also wrong. In one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth orbit twice. दोनदा ते अर्थच्या ऑर्बिटला इंटरसेक्ट करतं. It is all right to observe a solar eclipse without protecting the eyes. सूर्यग्रहण हे उघड्या डोळ्यांनी पाहणं बरोबर आहे का? Then the answer, the statement is wrong. It is necessary to view the sun disk through dark glasses or through special goggles. त्याच्यासाठी स्पेशल गॉगल्स असतात, त्यातून ते बघितलं जातं. Made for that purpose. Observe the intense light of the sun can be harmful to the naked eyes. उघड्या डोळ्यांनी आपण जर सोलर इक्लिप्स बघितलं तर ते डोळ्यांना हार्मफुल असतं. Question 6. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the perigee position. Again, the statement is wrong. The annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in a apogee position. There are two positions, perigee position, apogee position. So when annular solar eclipse comes, the moon is in the apogee position. Second question. Select the correct option. First, they give solar eclipse, and for the option they give situation, different situation. We have to choose correct one. So solar eclipse. First one they give, okay, in A option, C, moon, sun, earth. Then B, earth, moon and sun. And C, sun, earth and moon. So the correct option is answer B, earth, moon and sun. Second, the shape of the sun disk at the time of annular solar eclipse. A, B and C. They given and the answer is a B. कंकणाकृती सूर्यग्रहणाच्या वेळेला कशा पद्धतीचा शेप या तिन्हीपैकी असू शकतो, तर या प्रकाराचा असतो तो कंकणाकृती सूर्यग्रहण. तिसरा आहे एपोजी पोझिशन ऑफ द मून. A, B and C. So answer is a C, apogee position of the moon. Next, the third question, complete the following table. Student, if you like the video, please press the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. This the table. Details: lunar eclipse, solar eclipse. Phase of the moon. So in the lunar eclipse, full moon day, but solar eclipse, new moon day. Sequence. lunar eclipse च्या वेळेला त्याचा सिक्वेन्स कसा असतो, मून, अर्थ आणि सन. बट सोलर इक्लिप्स च्या वेळेला कसा असतो, अर्थ मध्ये चंद्र म्हणजेच मून आणि मग सन. टाइप ऑफ इक्लिप्स. लुनार इक्लिप्सच्या वेळेला म्हणजे चंद्रग्रहणाच्या वेळेला टोटल आणि पार्शियल हे दोन प्रकार असतात. तर सोलर इक्लिप्सच्या वेळेला टोटल, पार्शियल आणि ॲन्युअल हे तीन प्रकार असतात. मॅक्सिमम ड्युरेशन ऑफ टोटल इक्लिप्स. तर चंद्रग्रहणाचा जास्तीत जास्त कालावधी हा 107 मिनिट्स इतका असतो, 107 मिनिट्स. बट सोलर इक्लिप्स चा मॅक्सिमम ड्युरेशन टाइम जो असतो हा फक्त 440 सेकंड इतका असतो. Next, fourth question, draw and label the diagrams. So they ask total and partial solar eclipse. This is a one type and this one is another type, and this is the diagram. So see, here is the earth, here is the middle one is the moon, and here is the sun, right? So this one is a annular solar eclipse and this one is the partial solar eclipse. नेक्स्ट, टोटल अँड पार्शियल लुनार इक्लिप्स. सो त्यांनी आता सांगितलेलं आहे चंद्रग्रहण. सो चंद्रग्रहणाच्या वेळेला सूर्य मध्ये असतो, मध्ये असते पृथ्वी अँड देन मून. सो फॉर टोटल लुनार इक्लिप्स लाईक दिस अँड फॉर पार्शियल लुनार इक्लिप्स लाईक दिस, म्हणजेच अर्धा इथे चंद्र दिसतो बघा. फिफ्थ, answer the following. Question first. Why do the sun, the moon and the earth not lie in one and the same line on every full moon and new moon day? Answer. First point, the orbit path of the earth and that of moon are not in a same plane. Second, the moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degrees with that of the earth. Third one, on each new moon day, these lines joining the earth and the sun and the moon makes an angle of 0 degree, whereas on each full moon day, this angle is a 180 degree. At the new moon day, the angle is a 0 degree, and full moon day the angle is a 180 degree. Fourth point, so the sun and the earth and the moon may not be in one straight line in the same plane on every new moon or full moon day. Second question, when a total solar eclipse occurs, why is the partial eclipse also seen from the earth? Let's see the answer of this question. First point, on a new moon day, if the sun, the moon and the earth fall in a one line and are in a same plane, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Second point, this shadow is of two types. The central portion of the shadow is darker and the periphery is light. Third point, in the area where the dark shadow falls, the sun becomes completely invisible. Such an area experiences a total eclipse, total solar eclipse. And fourth point, however, during the same period, at the places where the shadow is lighter, the sun disk appears partially covered. Such an extra experience partial solar eclipse. Thus, when a total solar eclipse occurs, a partial eclipse is also seen from the earth, right? Question third. Suggest measures that can be taken to eradicate the superstition related to eclipses. And the answer. The following measures can be taken to eradicate superstitions related to eclipses. First, use of media to create a awareness. Second, parental guidance to help think logically. Third one, teachers' guidance to help students develop a scientific outlook. Campaigns, public meetings, and lectures, especially in rural areas, to eradicate superstitions. Fourth question, what precautions should we take while observing a solar eclipse? सो द आन्सर, सोलर इक्लिप्स बघत असताना आपल्याला काही प्रिकॉशन्स घेतल्या पाहिजेत. द प्रिकॉशन्स टू बी टेकन while observing a solar eclipse. First one, we should not observe solar eclipse with naked eyes as the intense light of the sun can harm them. उघड्या डोळ्यांनी आपल्याला ती बघायचं नाही, कारण डायरेक्ट पडणारी सूर्यकिरणं आपल्या डोळ्यांना हार्मफुल असतात. Second one, we must use dark glasses or goggles that are specially designed for viewing the solar eclipse. सो त्यासाठी आपण गॉगल्स किंवा डार्क ग्लासेस यूज करायचे. Question 5. What type of solar eclipses will occur in a perigee conditions? Answer. Total and partial solar eclipse will occur in a perigee condition. First one, total solar eclipse. On a new moon day, the sun, the moon, the earth are in a straight line and the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. The area of dark shadow falls on the earth. The sun becomes completely invisible. This condition is known as total solar eclipse. And second one is a partial solar eclipse. However, during the same period at places where the shadow is lighter, the sun disk appears partially covered. This condition is described as a partial solar eclipse. Here is the end of this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye-bye.